Luxury in New York doesn't have to break the bank. Imagine sipping cocktails on a rooftop, sleeping in chic designer rooms, and walking out straight into the heart of Manhattan, all at prices that won't drain your wallet. Today, we're uncovering 3 affordable 4-star hotels in New York City: Freehand New York, Arlo Nomad, and the iconic Soho Grand. Let's see if these stylish stays are truly worth it. Number 1. Freehand New York. First up, Freehand New York. Located in the Flatiron district, this hotel feels like a blend of boutique style and artsy charm. Prices usually range from $150 to $250 per night, which is considered budget-friendly for a 4-star in NYC. Guests rave about the vibrant atmosphere, from its quirky, art-filled rooms to the lively Broken Shaker rooftop bar, where you can sip cocktails while overlooking the city. TripAdvisor reviewers love its youthful energy and unique design, though some mention that the rooms are on the smaller side. Hungry? Just a few steps away, you'll find Eisenberg's Sandwich Shop, a local favorite since 1929, and Italy Flatiron, a dream spot for Italian food lovers. Number 2. Arlo Nomad. Next, let's head to Arlo Nomad, right in Midtown. Average prices are $200 to $280 per night. What makes Arlo stand out is its modern micro-room concept. Tiny but smartly designed spaces with floor-to-ceiling windows that open up to stunning Manhattan views. The highlight? The ART Nomad Rooftop Bar, famous for its glass floor section that gives you a thrilling look straight down to the city below. Reviewers often call it Instagram heaven. It's a hit with young travelers and couples looking for a mix of adventure and design. Nearby, you can grab a bite at Keen's Steakhouse, one of New York's most historic steakhouses, or explore Koreatown just a block away for late-night barbecue and karaoke. Number 3. Soho Grand Hotel. And finally, we can't skip the Soho Grand Hotel, located in one of New York's trendiest neighborhoods. Prices hover between $280 and $350 per night, still cheaper than many 5-star options in Manhattan. This hotel is known for its industrial-chic design, pet-friendly policies, and spacious rooms, making it one of the best choices for families visiting New York. Guests love the elegant lobby lounge and the club room, where you can relax with live jazz on weekends. Step outside, and you're surrounded by designer boutiques, art galleries, and some of the city's best dining spots. For foodies, don't miss Balthazar, a legendary French brasserie, or Dominique Ansel Bakery, home of the original cronut.
So, are cheap 4-star hotels in New York worth it? Absolutely. From the artsy vibes of Freehand to the daring rooftop of Arlo Nomad to the family-friendly comfort of the Soho Grand, you don't need a 5-star budget to enjoy a slice of Manhattan luxury. Which of these hotels would you stay at first? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, hotel guides, and hidden gems around the world. See you in the next adventure.